Big Summit this year was such a fantastic event. My team, our customers that attended, walked out with reinvigorated, we're ready to run through a brick wall type mentality. BigCommerce is just making so many great investments, and we're so excited about our partnership with them. Going back specifically to those innovations and the integration work of Catalyst and MakeSwift, BigCommerce is truly at the forefront of enhancing business agility through its latest product innovations. This integration is going to allow companies to adapt quickly to the needs of the market. It's going to continue to provide seamless digital experience for both retailers and consumers. Going back to the Travis Hess piece of this, it was so refreshing to have a president of a software provider talk from a services perspective and the value and his whole approach to supporting the partner ecosystem, leveraging tools like Feedonomics and MakeSwift. It's allowing businesses to create these revenue streams across multiple channels and ensuring that they continue to remain agile and responsive. That's going to continue to align with BigCommerce's strategy and its overall mission of pursuing market disruption. Brilliance recently acquired a business called Norsland Lefse, and they're a Scandinavian goods. We're heading into our first busy season here, so we're super excited about that. We replatformed Norsland Lefse's legacy website from Wix to BigCommerce. Attending Summit this year was super fun because not only were we there from an agency perspective, but we were also there as a customer. As Rick was talking about availability as marketing, I was having a conversation with our CEO, who's also the president over at Norsland Lefse. She was referencing how it really just, shook up how she was thinking about Norsland Lefse's growth. And instead of just pushing sales through Norsland Lefse's website, realizing how crucial it is to have products wherever customers are looking. That for us means branching out to different sales channels to more people while keeping things running smoothly operationally as well. It's not just sticking to those high margin websites anymore. It's looking for other platforms and other channels that organizations and customers might be able to find us. Ultimately, it's ensuring that we are meeting demand and staying on track for our growth. Collaboration across various business functions is always crucial. Obviously, as we're attending Big Summit, it really emphasizes the importance on the digital side. It's not just the responsibility of the marketing team, but also requires input from the operations team, the fulfillment teams, the supply chain, customer service, sales teams, and IT. Was one of the biggest takeaways. It's no longer sustainable for organizations to hand an e-commerce solution off to one department and have them and be responsible for executing your digital strategy. You need buy-in and support from all the various departments. There's organizations out there who continue to operate with the mindset that we're going to have one department be responsible for this, and maybe we'll trickle in some support from various others, but that's just not working. By fostering collaboration, we can continue to ensure that our availability strategy is comprehensive and that we're prepared to meet that demand across all the channels that we've been referencing.